Hey all, Will Healy here, and today I got to experience this absolutely awesome National Association of Manufacturers event called the Creators Wanted Tour. And this is where we expose students and the community to manufacturing careers and how awesome they are. I'm here in Columbus, Ohio, where the tour kicks off, and we heard some great presenters from John Husted, Lieutenant Governor of Ohio. We also heard from Jay Timmons from the National Association of Manufacturers, Rick from Honda, Ryan Osberger from the OMA, and Carolyn Lee, the Executive Director of the Manufacturing Institute. So lots of different speakers that shared their passion for manufacturing and all the awesome things that are going on. The highlight was being able to go through the tour inside the Creators Wanted trailer and actually experience in an escape room type experience to learn about manufacturing processes, and we got to do it with some students from a local school. I finally got to connect with AMIP member Lacey Wise, and got to experience the day with her, and that was really great. Thanks for coming along with me, Lacey. And overall, I think what this showed me, if you have an opportunity to visit a Creators Wanted experience, they're going to be all over the country. I'll post a link in the comments. You really should get out and experience this trailer, experience what the National Association of Manufacturers and Honda and all the other suppliers, what they put together is a really powerful and incredible experience. So I really recommend that you bring the schools, the kids, the citizens that you think would have an interest in manufacturing, bring them out to a local Creators Wanted event, get them to see the trailer, get them to experience the escape room, and to meet all the vendors that are around. There's some awesome things going on in manufacturing, and thanks to everyone at NAM and at the Ohio Manufacturers Association and everyone else involved for such a great day. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?